So within this 236 area, a total of $500 million longs have been liquidated already. Okay, Bitcoin futures currently medyo may nakikita tayo mga shorting play at around 95K and 95,641. Malaki pa din nakikita nating liquidation line within this area. No? Medyo malaki yung mga long liquidations natin at 93,727 up until 93,331. Pakitandaan po yan, 93,331. Teka lang, we're gonna be discussing that maya, no? Puntahan po natin. So sabi natin 92, okay, 92,000, no? 869. 92,869 ang ating support line. Nako, tama-tama doon sa support na nilagay ni Coach Miranda. Tama-tama, no? We're actually been trying to find the support, no? 92,000. So within this 236 area, a total of $500 million longs have been liquidated already. Okay, so tingin natin, as what I've said in my post sa members charts kanina, because meron tayong TLSBD, huwag kayong bida-bida, antayin po natin mag-support on that particular area.